Hello, welcome guys. Today in this video, I'm gonna to show you how to turn off sound for notification on Windows 10 PC or laptop. So guys, if you want to turn off, it's very easy. First, you click on Start, click on Settings. After click on System. And here option Notification and Action. So click it. To click on Setting. And here play sound when notification areas. So if you want to turn off, just slash to off position. That is. So guys, this is very simple and easy method if you want to turn off sound for notification on Windows 10 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for latest update.